Smart cars may look adorable, but are they practical? Here are some of the most common smart car problems owners should be on the lookout for. The most common problems reported by smart car owners are transmission issues. Specifically, smart cars have had trouble switching into reverse gear. Even worse, transmission failure is the most common mechanical issue with the Smart Fortwo, the only smart car model that made it big in the US. The 2008 and 2009 Fortwo models were especially problematic. Other common smart car problems include suspension problems, electrical failures, and even engine failure. Owners have reported failing muffler pipes, busted heater-blower motors, and even something called crazing. Although that last one sounds pretty wild, it just refers to a condition where the car's roof becomes covered in small cracks due to wear and tear. Finally, the Smart Fortwo EQ can experience issues with the electrical charging unit. It comes as little surprise then that both the Fortwo and Fortwo EQ models get a lukewarm quality and reliability rating from J.D. Power. 73 out of 100 for the Fortwo and 74 out of 100 for the Fortwo EQ. The bottom line? Smart cars are fairly reliable, just watch out for those transmissions. For more information on your smart car, plus useful tips to save big on your car insurance, hit the subscribe button or go to getjerry.com.